Let me ask you a question. Are you paying too much to maintain your health? If you're over the age of 55 and lately you've been feeling more tired, more stiff, or dealing with aches and pains that didn't exist 10 or 15 years ago, pay very close attention for the next couple of minutes. I'm a nutritional consultant, and I know firsthand how expensive it can be to try to maintain your health. Over the past 4 decades, I've worked with thousands of people who wanted to prevent their health from declining, but either didn't know what to do or believed they simply couldn't afford it. Today I'm going to share a formula with you that is not only affordable, but also extremely effective at giving the body what it needs to restore itself. You see, when the body is given the right support and the real causes of declining health are addressed, it has an incredible ability to repair and restore itself, even as we grow older. I'm talking about having less daily pain, better mobility, more natural energy, and a body that simply feels stronger and healthier. Now, if you're already feeling great, that's wonderful. But if your health has slowly declined over the years, there is still good news. Because in many cases, the body simply needs the right nutritional support to begin correcting the underlying problems that cause so many common health issues. In fact, for years I've recommended a specific all-natural product that helps address 4 of the most common underlying causes of declining health, issues that affect millions of people both old and young alike. Recently, my 2-year-old daughter became very sick with a severe respiratory infection and was having a hard time breathing. It was a scary experience for all of us. We started adding this product to her milk as part of the nutritional support, and right away she was breathing easier. Within a couple of days, we began noticing a big improvement in her energy and overall comfort. Within just a few days she was back to her happy, active self again. We were incredibly grateful. When the root problems are supported, something remarkable often happens. The body begins doing what it was designed to do, heal and restore itself. Now let me ask you, has the cost of staying healthy become a financial burden? Well, here's the exciting part. I've arranged for you to access this powerful formula at factory direct pricing, which means you can get it for less than half of what it normally sells for in health stores. And that's not all. Because this all-natural formula supports the body so effectively, many people find they're able to cut back on, or even eliminate several of the other costly products they're currently taking. And because of how important this formula is for overall wellness, it's the one product I consistently recommend to people of all ages. So, if you'd like to learn exactly what this formula is, how it works, and how you can get it today, at this special factory price, simply enter your contact information in the space provided, and click the button to gain access. Your path to better health may be just a click away.